Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to set up Bitget Wallet. First, let's go to bitget.com website. Here, tap on the menu icon. Go to Products. And here choose Web3 Wallet. Here you can download the app. This process is pretty much straightforward, just like with every other app. Once installed, open the app. Okay, let's create our wallet. Let's set up PIN to our wallet. And that's it. Now your wallet is ready to use. By the way, if you want to trade on Hyperliquid with discount on fees, check link in the description. So, that's the end of this video. Now, if you have found the content helpful, don't forget to give a like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.